Welcome to our channel, where we explore the cutting-edge world of military technology. Today, we dive into the innovations shaping the future of defense. From advanced drones to next-gen armor, join us as we uncover the latest in military tech and its impact on modern warfare. Let's jump in.
In the last 20 years, Turkey has developed weapons technology at the fastest pace in the world. In 2023 alone, Turkey developed more than 50 types of weapons and took them into its inventory. Some sources say the KAAN will be a better aircraft than the F-22 Raptor. KAAN will make its first flight on December 27th, so by the time this video is published, it will most likely have made its first flight. In fact, the aircraft was originally planned to make its first flight in 2025. But the project was done much faster than expected and was completed 2 years earlier. It is expected to be in full service between 2027 and 2029. Of course, there may be another surprise, and it can be completed 1-2 years earlier. This special design of the KAAN allows it to perform even the sharpest maneuvers with ease. This means that it can easily defeat the fighter jet in front of it when it enters the so-called dogfight. In fact, a very important feature of KAAN is that it can lock onto its targets from hundreds of kilometers away without entering the dogfight. They are currently developing the aircraft's own jet engine, which will be integrated with jet engines and advanced artificial intelligence technology. And they will integrate new technologies into the aircraft day by day. It is currently referred to as a fifth-generation fighter jet. But when the producers add these technologies, they say it could be a 5++ generation fighter jet. We know how advanced artificial intelligence technology is in Turkey. So how will this artificial intelligence technology work in KAAN? The aim of the KAAN project is to ensure and further strengthen Turkey's own air superiority. KAAN will act with armed unmanned combat aerial vehicles. It will make small and medium-sized targets to artificial intelligence without any effort and will hit the big main targets itself. In this way, it will not waste any time and will increase the success rates of operations many times over. KAAN will be equipped not only with the ability to manage UCAVs, but also with artificial intelligence itself. This will provide extreme convenience and save time for pilots. As a high-tech fighter jet, the KAAN will be harder to detect by enemy radars thanks to its low visibility features. This will provide an operational advantage by reducing the likelihood of the aircraft being detected. In addition, the KAAN is capable of carrying advanced weapon systems, which increases its usability in various missions. The advanced weapon systems provide effective performance in air-to-air and air-to-ground strike missions. Its twin-engine capability will give KAAN an advantage in terms of performance and speed. The twin engine will contribute to KAAN's reliable performance in challenging missions. As for the technical specifications, the wingspan is 14 meters, the length is 21 meters, and the height is 6 meters. Its maximum speed can reach up to Mach 1.8. What do you think about this fighter jet made by Turkey? Do not forget to write your thoughts in the comments section. You can support us by subscribing to the channel and liking the video. Also, if you want to see the 6th generation fighter jets, you can click on this video.
Thanks for watching. For more updates, subscribe to our channel, like and comment, and share with your friends.